Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Mike in the Kitchen. And in today's video, I'm going to show everyone how to make these delicious honey teriyaki baked salmon steaks. These are very quick and easy to make, and you will definitely love them. I make these all the time, usually on the weekends, and I mean, they're very tasty, yummy, delicious, and you will definitely love them too. I'm pretty sure of that. So let's get into the video. So all you need is a few ingredients. The first thing you're going to need is a salmon steak, and you can usually get that from your local Asian grocery store, fish market, or even your local grocery store may have it. You're also going to need teriyaki sauce, honey, half an onion that's diced, and a lemon to clean the salmon steak, and also a large Ziploc bag. So now we're going to rinse the salmon steak off. So get a bowl and place your salmon steak inside it. Turn on the cold water so it can rinse the salmon off. Cut up your lemon and pick up a lemon slice, and we're going to start cleaning the steak, okay? You're going to clean the salmon off and just keep rubbing the lemon on it. Alright, keep rubbing the lemon on it. We're going to get all the slime and gunk off the salmon steak. After we finish cleaning it, we're going to let the salmon sit in the water with a couple pieces of lemon for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to rinse the salmon steak off in cold water, and we're going to get a dry paper towel and just pat it dry on both sides. You're going to want the salmon steak nice and dry so we don't have any moisture and water on it. So just keep patting the salmon off on both sides, and we're going to get it nice and dry. Now we're going to place the fish in the Ziploc bag. And we're going to place half a cup of teriyaki sauce in the bag. We're going to grab the honey and drizzle a moderate amount of honey on the fish. Now we're going to grab our diced onions and we're going to put them in the bag with the fish. Now we're going to close the bag, and we're just going to swish all the ingredients around so the fish can absorb the teriyaki sauce, the honey, and just keep swishing it. Keep swishing the bag around. After you're finished, you're going to place the bag in the fridge for 30 minutes so it can marinate. After 30 minutes is up, take the fish out of the fridge and take it out of the Ziploc bag, and you're going to place it on a baking pan. And now we're going to get the fish in the oven so we can bake it. Turn your oven to 400 degrees and let the fish bake for 20 minutes. 20 minutes is up, and I took the fish out the oven and I stuck the thermometer in, and it's above 145 degrees. So the fish is ready to eat. If the fish does look good to me, and this is how it is. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you try this out for yourself, let me know how it turns out. Let me know how it tastes. If you enjoyed this video and the other videos I have on my channel, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate everyone tuning in, and I will see you next time. Take care.